everyone, it's Ilj. Welcome to my show. Today I will be showing you how to crochet a granny square. This basic pattern is super easy and can be used for many different projects. We will be using double crochet, chain, and slip stitches for this. If you're unfamiliar with these stitches, please see my other video linked below showing you how to do basic crochet stitches. What you will need to do this granny square is a basic yarn. Start with a solid color so you can really see what you're doing. And I have a size 6 hook here that anywhere from 4 to 6 would probably be good to start. And let's begin. To begin our granny square, we're going to start with a basic slip knot. And we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do a slip stitch in our first chain here to close a loop. Slip. Now we have this small circle. We're going to be working through the center here. It's a little hard to see at first. I'm just going to do one slip stitch right through the center there. We can see it a little better now. And we're going to begin our second round with 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. This will count as our first double crochet in a set of 3. So 2 more. 1, 2, so it looks like 3 double crochets here. Chain 3, and 3 more double crochets through that same center space. And chain 3, 2, 3, 3 more double crochets into that same space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3 again. And we'll do one more set of 3 double crochet in that same center space. Chain 3 more. And now we're going to do a slip stitch in this top chain here. In our chain 3, it's that 3rd chain we did. We'll do a slip stitch to end our round. And you see we have a little square. And now we will continue on to the next round, beginning with chain 3. This time, this does not count as a double crochet. We will start our stitches in this space here where we chained 3 last round, and we'll make our corner here, starting with 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. And 3 more double crochet in that same space to create our corner. Okay, there's our first corner of this next round. And we'll continue on by doing the same thing in this corner now, starting with 3 double crochet. chain 3, and 3 more double crochet in that same space. Every corner we do is going to be just like that. Now we'll do the next one. It's right here. So 3 double crochet, 2, 3, 3 chain for our corner, and 3 more double crochet. Now we have one more corner to do right here. So 3 double crochet in that space. Chain 3. 3 more double crochet. And now to end this round, we will do a slip stitch in this first space here where our chain 3 is. So slip stitch right into there. And see how that nicely ends our round, so we can begin the next one with chain 3. Now moving on to our corner here, 3 double crochet, 3 chain, and 3 more double crochet. Now we will go into this space here between these 2 sets of double crochet from our last round. We're going to go right in between them. Pretty much going to do the same in each space around the square. 3 double crochets right in here. And now we're at our corner again. And we're going to do the same thing, the 3 double crochet, a chain 3, and another 3 double crochet all in the space. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to continue this pattern around the square, and I'll meet you back at the end. Okay, we're at the end of our row here, or our round, and we'll do one more slip stitch to end it. And here we have our granny square. This basic pattern, you can continue it and make it as big of a square as you would like. You can change colors. You can also connect different squares together to make different patterns. I've included a link below on a separate video on different methods to connect your granny squares. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my video if you guys found it helpful, and you can check out more of my patterns later on. Have a good one.